Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, since the release of the weak fourth quarter Aussie GDP figures, the Australian dollar has been rather fragile. And partially now the fact that since we've taken out the 70-60 is the bears are looking for a further down test, with the objective now seen at 69.4060. It is assessed that from there we could see profit taking, so do be on your guard and take maybe some of your position back in case we get a slight rebound off that level, because tonight we do have the non-farm payrolls release. It is expected that the market is forecasting 185,000 new jobs for February and an unemployment rate lower from 4% to 3.9%. The resistance for the Australian dollar at the moment is at 70.4565. Well, overnight the market found the euro on a very bearish scenario and crushed the support at 112.50, which now exposes the region of 111.60 as the next target. I am squaring up or reassessing from that level, purely for the fact is that we are extremely oversold, and also the fact is that the dollar index is also claimed its target of 97.40 after posting a high of 97.64. It is assessed that we could see a little bit of a correction if the unemployment is lower than what they're forecasting for the non-farm payrolls tonight. Intraday range 111.60 to 112.55, but underneath 111.60 I see 110.15.20. Well, finally the market is getting a little bit weaker as the yen strengthens and now looks towards 111.20 to 110.80 with an objective of 110.20.25. The resistance at this stage seen at 111.90 figure. Well, the pound ignored and negated the bullish candle doji and therefore could see further weakness, with the downside target still intact as we didn't take out the resistance of 131.95 and therefore looks towards the target of 129.40.45 and reassess from there. Gold still holding above the level of 1,280 to 82. Do be on your guard that if we do see a break of this level that it could see another $10 drop. But with all the risks that are out there, now that comes to the Brexit, the uncertainty in the emerging markets, and also with the US trade wars with China, could see further demand for gold as a safe haven. But if you are trading, do allow some room in case we do get a drop to 70. Resistance at this stage seen at 90, then 96. And wrapping up with oil, well, nothing's really changed over the last couple of days. The market's still consolidating sideways. I do expect to see the support holding around 54.95 to 55.25 and therefore expect to see further rise and look to retest the target of $58 a barrel. Well, that wraps up for the week. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day and a great start to the new weekend.